Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. First off, my sticky little secret products are amazing. All I do to freshen up my lace is use that melting spray, girl. So this is a quick update of my quick weave that I did on my previous video. This is what the fullness is looking like after I added that last bundle. So what we're gonna do now is style this beauty. I can't believe I had this just sitting in my closet. I used it once since my husband got me this when I first started YouTube a couple of years ago, and I just had it sitting there. This is amazing. I did just say to myself I'm gonna use the gloves. I didn't. Trust me, use the gloves. Use the gloves. Don't be like me. Don't be a daredevil like me. So this is how you use it. You lock it and make sure it's secured, and you turn it on, and that's it. And we get, we start styling. I love that it comes with different attachments that you could do different styles with. I'm gonna be messing with this for a couple of videos now. It's not gonna just be sitting in my closet. It's gonna be right there in my vanity. Right now, what we're doing is adding some layers, giving it a little more chop, and giving it more oomph, because those squiggly ends don't do nothing for you, girl. Cut them off. Cut them off. It's okay to do a little snip, okay? I didn't get too zigzag happy. I just did a little snip, I'm sectioning out the swoop that I want to do. I want to do a little swoop-de-doop first. So I want to section that out and then curl the rest. I love a good wand curl hairstyle. Something about a wand curl that just does it for me. Girl, I don't know. I just love it. It's just me. Let me know. Let me know if I'm not alone or if I am. Just to be like, girl, that ain't it. So first we're going to spray it. To give it that hold, we're gonna spray it, curl it, spray it again, and make sure those curls hold. That's it. And then we're gonna spread them. Adding them tracks really did give it more oomph. It gave it more density. It wasn't too much, but just a little something more. And if you haven't checked out my last video to see how I did my quick weave, girl, check me out real quick after this one. Keep watching and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know you're here. Let me know, say hey, how you doing? Well, you don't have to say it like that, but you know what I mean. By the way, this is day 4 of the quick weave, and my scalp was not itching as much as I thought it was going to be. It itched here and there, but a little tap here and there helped, and a little comb sticking here. I guess it did itch a little, but it's not as much as I thought it was going to be. But I am ready to take it off, mostly because I do have other wigs to review. And I need to wash my hair too, girl. So this is coming off after this. Just a day or two after, it's gonna come off. But This is day 4 and this is what it's given, and I wanted to style it a little more because it took a whole day to do this hairstyle, and I figure I need to get a couple of videos in with this, you know, and then I watched a couple of videos to see how I take it off. It says to soak it and some conditioner, and then I'll let y'all know how I did with taking it off. I'm gonna take my time and make sure it's fully saturated and moist so I don't pull out my hair, girl. Ain't nobody trying to do that. Now here goes my little swoop-de-doop that I wanted to do because I have a thing with the side bang. Yeah, it probably has a lot to do with the fact that I'm a little bit obsessed with Aaliyah. But it's something about a side swoop that it just looks really good. Okay, so I wanted to do that first, and then I actually curled it. You let me know in the comments below which one you like, the little swoop or the curls. And also I added some highlights to this, so you'll see at the end there, after I curl the bangs, I did do some highlights. I'll post it here on my shorts and on my TikTok, so check it out. Well, I just added some blonde bundles to in between the hair, just a little something because I wanted to give it a little more oomph in the bang area. It was alright. You let me know what you think about that. It was alright to me though. These little butterflies clips are so cute. They are also in my Amazon storefront, linked in my descriptions. So cute. Love them. If you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you stuck around this long, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.